We will make some orange juice. Orange juice. Okay. Open. No. Look.
Okay, guys, hindi mo pa kasi.
Like that. Wait lang. Hold mo to. Hold.
Then press this.
Just hold it. Use your 2 hands. Wait lang.
Hold mo. No! Okay, done. No. Open this. Open! Oh! Juice! Wait.
More.
You'll be the first.
Okay, let's open it. Take the thing. Take this thing. Take it out. Put it there. Put a new one.
Take another.
Take a new orange. Good job. Press. Hold. Just hold it. Ganda kamay niyo. Open din lang. Hindi yan mas squeeze na maayos. Naangat na kamay niyo.
Again?
Let's see. Ba't naman?
Wait lang, i-open yun.
Huwag mo niyo i-open mamaya. Ay, na-squeeze siya na maayos. Good job, Dylan. More powder. Ay, talaga naman. Galing. Close mo again. Close na. More. Yes. Good job. Press, Dylan. Hold lang. Hold lang. Wait lang. Not done yet. Good job. Good job.
Okay,
try?
ikaw mo bit.
No. It's juice. No. Hala, ang sweet.
Nai mo na sa bit yan.
Try.
Okay, go again.
Try. Yummy, no? Nay, not like that. Ba't may pa ganon? Ako. Kasi,
I'm will hold na? Wait.
Use this one, anak ko.
Hold this up. Like that. No, don't hold here. Only here. And then when you close it, push it through.
Okay, press. Wait. Not done, anak. Excited naman ang aking bata. Okay. More. Stop to this.
Careful naman.
Daming na
Wait.
Good job, Pinan. Press mo yung anak. Salag. Sabi siya mag-like this. Ayan din. Wow!
No more na. No more.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
Si Bye pwede na, si Bye. Ay! Yummy? Yes or no? Sarap? Ayaw mo? Again? Tomorrow again.